Morning all. I'm out on a job this morning with my guys. We got a little leak here. Let me show you. This is on a condo association here. And we fixed several here in the past. Today, what we're going to do is we got our Ditch Witch, which is a vacuum excavator, and we're going to hook it up. We're going to show you how we get down to the leak. And you can see here we've got a power pole, we've got trees. So this is the best way to get it up. Plus it's wet. So we're going to go ahead and excavate it while it's leaking, and while we get it, when we get started, set up and running. It'll be a little loud. I won't be able to talk over it, but we'll go ahead and show you what's going on with it.
Suck the water out, Richard. Suck the water out.
Okay, what we've uncovered, there's a 2-inch 90 that blew loose underneath the ground. As you can see, we have a palm tree right here. Without the Ditch Witch, digging through those palm roots, even though it's not that deep, it still would have taken a long time to do that. And then being so close to the utility pole here, we might have put our axe through the line, whatever the case may be, because we have no idea how deep this stuff is. we were lucky. We also found a valve box. So that's evidently the main coming off of the valve box, and we shut the water down, so we got the water under control. And all we do is just clean it out and put it back together. It looks like it's been repaired once before. Somebody had a 2x4 behind the 90 and didn't let the glue dry up fast enough, and evidently the 90 just separated. So we're going to be using board fittings. Shouldn't have that